Want to monetize your blog and turn readers into buyers? Meet Blog Products Upsell, the ultimate plugin to make customers buy products directly from inside your blog posts. With just a few clicks, you can add this amazing plugin from the Wix app market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Installing the app to your Wix site is easy. Head to the Posts page. Click on an empty area, then click on Plugins. Look for Blog Products Upsell, then click Add. If you still cannot find it, please make sure that the plugin is set to Show on Page. Before proceeding, let's click Save and Publish to update the site. Now to configure the widget, click on the Settings panel, then open the dashboard. Click on Blog Posts Product Setup to see your blog posts and add products to them. From here, you can easily add or remove products to each of your blog posts. To make the widget visible, click on Show Widget. Additionally, you can see all the app statistics and earnings from this overview page. Back to the Settings panel here, you'll need to refresh the widget to update it. Then you can customize the widget by choosing from different templates and display types. Additionally, you can also change the number of products to display and customize product field visibility. You can also change the design of the widget, for example, changing this button color by clicking on it and heading to the Inspect tool. Lastly, don't forget to save and publish your site to apply the changes. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. It helps immensely, and feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching.